Hello everyone! 新年快乐！恭喜发财！谢谢谢谢! Got a cute little Hello Kitty red envelope. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, chocolate! You don't give chocolate for Chinese New Year? 红包拿来! Oh, hopefully it's something I like in this one. Let's open it up. Ooh, Mr. Benjamin, my favorite. Today is Chinese New Year and it's the year of the ox, and for Chinese New Year in America, we usually cook like chicken, fish, pork, and etc. But I'm gonna keep it healthy today and cook a vegetarian Chinese New Year dishes. And I'm gonna cook 3 dishes today. One is going to be firecracker chicken. The second is going to be bok choy with mushrooms and golden rice balls. And the last one I'm going to make is Napa cabbage wraps. 我们开始吧. Let's get cracking. We're going to start with making the firecracker chicken balls. And the reason why I'm doing balls is because I don't want to use tofu as chicken, so I'm going to make my own balls so it kind of has like a chicken type of look. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these 2 bell peppers. I have 1 red and 1 yellow. That also has another meaning to that. And what the red means happiness, good luck, good fortune. And then like the yellow is kind of like a goldish, so it's also like a lucky color as well. So I'm going to just use half of these. And this is actually going to go into our sauce for later. So when we make the meatballs, we will not be putting the bell peppers in the meatballs. You want to cut it in like big slices. Cut it like big slices like so. Like that. Next I'm going to use is our basil, and the basil is actually going to go at the end too. It's for our sauce, pretty much for a presentation. And then I have our minced mushrooms. Here I'm using shiitake mushrooms, and then we have these items are for our sauces. Now we're going to prepare our chicken vegetarian meatballs. So what you're gonna do, turn your fire on medium-high. I'm gonna add some oil to it. I'm using about like a 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure you coat your pan. So we're gonna start with throwing our onions in. Give it a nice stir. So they're actually getting translucent really quick here. Now I'm gonna add our shiitake mushrooms. Wow, it smells nice. Actually, when you use like fresh vegetables, oh my goodness, they give off a nice aroma. Look at these juices. And I didn't even have to add water. Isn't that wonderful? All right, they're cooked down pretty well. I'm going to add, our last one is our garlic. All right, our shiitake mushroom mixture is done. Okay, I'm removing it from the heat. Okay. Now we get to make our balls for our firecracker chicken. I have 1 cup of cooked rice. Then I'm going to add our mushroom mixture that we put over the stove to fry or sauteed. Add some salt, pepper, 5 spice, a classic Chinese ingredient, and last but not least, flour. This is actually going to make it thick and hopefully everything sticks together. Okay, we're done blending this. So let's make our balls. How do you like your balls? I like mine medium size because this is a little bit sticky, I'm gonna put some flour on my hands so the balls don't stick. All right, so we're done making our balls. Time to go fry. Now we're going to pan fry our vegetarian chicken balls for our firecracker chicken. I put my chopsticks down and if I can see like some bubble. Already put oil at the kind of ball. So it's ready and let's start frying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a lot of rotating, turning, browning, making sure that it's evenly cooked on each side, but I can't roll them. Time to get our sauce ready for our firecracker chicken. Pan's already hot. Get it, pour some oil in there. Use about a teaspoon. Add our chili peppers. Okay, now it's time for our sauce. Now our sauce is boiling. I have our cornstarch slurry, which is gonna help the sauce get thick. That's what we need. So I'm gonna pour it in there. Okay, perfect. Look at that thickness. Let's top our firecracker meatballs with our salt. Make sure to check out part 2 of our Chinese New Year dish.